This is a canister and this is a pan. Two of the most important things you need to have when you want to cook in camp. So let's go there and see what you should do to cook in the nature. Alright, so what you need is one of these canisters. They do come in different shapes and different capacities, but this size is my choice and it's easy to carry, so I don't carry a lot, and this actually carries me for like 4 camping sessions and before it's emptied. So these are perfect, these are good. And then on top of this you need one of these. However, there are different types of canisters and different styles of cook sets out there. They're like Jetboils, they're like other stuff, but what I've chosen over the time is this setup here. So this will go in like that. Yet again, all these stoves have different styles and they work more or less the same. So once you have this set up, you'll simply screw it around this canister. You'll tighten it, and now you've got yourself a stove, so you can cook on it. So as I told you earlier, there are like Jetboils and stuff. They're good. I'm not saying they're bad, but they can do only one thing. They can boil the water. However, if you want to do more, and you'd certainly want to do more, you can get one of these cook sets. Like they'll come with a boiler, with a pan. You know, they're compact. You know, they're compact and they're easy to carry. And what I'd like to do is that I like to cook burgers, I like to cook steaks, I like to cook noodles. So with the Jetboil, I can only have the pre-cooked meals, and that's not something I want. I want to be able to do more. So I normally carry one of these cook sets with me. But if you're in a situation that you absolutely have to cut some bait, you can use Jetboils. They're perfect, they're good. So what you're going to do is that you have a pan, and then you need a lighter. I had one here. Yeah, I've got my lighter. There you go. As simple as that. So I'm gonna cook egg here, the simplest thing possible. So just to show you how it's done. I've got my 2 eggs. I've got my butter. Melted your butter. I like my egg a little bland, so I will not add any salt on it. But this simple thing is something that you cannot do with your Jetboil. So be cautious when you want to when you want to select your cooking system, because it may get difficult for you. But if you prefer something like this, if you prefer to cook in the nature, cook properly in the nature, this is the way to go. This is the way that I found, and it works every single time. bit of pepper. And voila, that's it. You've got yourself a cooked egg. And when you're done, well, actually this gets very hot, so just put it aside for a few minutes whilst you're enjoying your meal. And voila! Cheers!